Welcome to this tutorial on how to password protect your listings in Real Estate Manager. This feature allows you to restrict access to certain property listings, ensuring only users with the correct password can view them. Let's see how you can easily set this up. To password protect a listing, follow these steps. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Real Estate Manager and click on Properties. Open an existing property listing or create a new one. Now, in the Publish panel, just above the Publish Update button, you'll see the Visibility option. Click Edit next to Visibility. Select Password Protected. Enter the password you want users to enter before viewing this property. Click OK, then publish or update the property. That's it. The listing is now protected. Now, let's see how this looks on the front end. We visit the property page as a user. Instead of displaying the listing details, it asks for a password. We enter the password we set earlier and click Submit. The full property details are now visible. Password protecting listings can be useful for exclusive properties for premium users, private sales or off-market listings, restricting access to client-specific properties. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on managing your real estate website.